Hi, we're back at it. I had to put on my glasses so I could see better. Today we're doing lesson 4, chapter 13, triangle inequalities, meaning parts of triangles that are not equal. Basically, it's the idea that if you add up two sides in a triangle, it's always going to be longer than the third. Now, which seems real basic to me, because if you just think, okay, here I'm drawing my triangle. Here's one side of a triangle. Here's one side of the triangle. It has to be longer than this side. If it's not, if the two sides aren't longer than your third, how am I going to stretch those to make a triangle, right? I'm not gonna. So always, the two sides together have to be longer than the third side. But then, yeah. Does that make sense? Should. It seems like obvious, but I'm sure they're going to make it complicated because, math and focus. Okay, handsome. You can get off the buttons there. Whoa! Stuff. Show that the sum of the lengths of two sides of the triangle is greater than the length of a third side. Basically, 4 plus 7 is greater than 5. Would you agree? I would agree. 7 plus 5 is greater than 4. Would you agree? I agree. 5 plus 4 is greater than 7. Would you agree? I agree. Yeah. They're very thorough down here, but I think it gets visually cluttered. But does what I did make sense? If not, you can pause and read that other stuff, but I'm going to keep on keeping on. The pause button's up to you. Shall we? We shall. Okay. Oh, so even these things I wrote, they're examples of inequalities. Okay. And again, we showed that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Okay. So what I have on the screen are inequalities. Inequalities. Aha. Okay. They're just number sentences that the result is not equal. This is an equation. Okay. Just has different punctuation. Think about like the difference between a question and a sentence. Each one expresses a complete thought, but showing different things. Same thing here. Different punctuation. Instead of a question mark and a period, we've got an equal sign and a greater than sign. The equal sign gives us an equation. The greater than, less than signs gives us statements that are inequalities. Okay? Seems to make sense to me. I don't know. Let's carry on. Oh, good. An activity with stuff. It says measure the sides of the triangle ABC in centimeters. Your partner measures the sides to the nearest quarter inch. I want to pause and look at my book here and see what we're supposed to do. Okay, I checked that out. Let's see. What they're saying is 6, 4, 3, right? And then when you go to the next slide, come on. This is all on one page of the book. So it's saying AB, BC, 6, 4, 3. Okay. Is AB plus BC greater? 6, 4, 3. AB plus BC greater than AC? Yes. AB plus AC greater than BC? Yes. BC plus AC greater than AB? Yes. Same thing we just did. Okay. And I measured in centimeters. But it works the same way in inches. All right. If you need to pause and read this, go ahead. But I think we got the idea. Okay. PQR is a triangle in which PQ is 8, QR is 10, PR is 6. Cool triangle, bro. Seriously? Wait, what? Find PQ and QR, then compare the sum with PR. Pause me and do this, and then I'll fill this in 5 seconds. Okay, pause me. Okay, PQ plus QR is 8 plus 10. That's 18. Is that bigger than PR? Yes. QR is 10 plus PR is 6. 16, is that bigger than PQ? Yes. And PQ is 8 plus PR is 6. It's 14. Is that bigger than QR? 10. Yes. Whoop, whoop. That's raising the roof. That's something we did back in the olden times. All right. Ooh. Here's where the problem bits become. Look at these two sets of information. If you have line segments in those lengths, can you form a triangle? We'll talk in 5 seconds. All right. For letter A, did you get yes? Because 5 plus 6 is bigger than 7. 5 plus 7 is bigger than 6. 7 plus 6 is bigger than 5. Whoop. Down here, you should be no. 4 plus 1 is bigger than 2. 4 plus 2 is bigger than 1. But 2 plus 1 is not bigger than 4. This is the kind of stuff we're getting into today. And now we didn't have to do anything bigger than 6 plus 7. Nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is just showing everything I did. Here's the 5, 6, 7 triangle. Okay? That's what we just talked about. The 5, 6, 7 can form a triangle. Let's see what we have on the next page. Oh, here's 4, 2, 1. No, no, no. Okay? And this, I think this is a great visual. Like, you can't bring these two pieces together. Okay? How convenient is that? Oh, okay. Can a triangle be formed with these lengths? Okay, it says complete. Use greater than, less than, or equal to compare. Okay, triangle can or cannot be formed. Okay, pause me, and then we'll do it in 5 seconds. All right, how'd you do on these? You probably rocked right through it. 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 is greater than 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. It's greater than 10. So I'm adding the 2 and then using the third side. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is greater than 13. A triangle can be formed. 25 and 18 is 43. 43 is most definitely greater than 6. 18 and 6 is 24. 24 is, less than 25. I don't even need to do this because I know a triangle cannot be formed. All right, cool. Oh, words. I'm gonna let you read this, and I'll read it with you. Okay. So pause me and read. Well, no, I'll just read too. Hoo-wee. All right, you got all that? So let's have a triangle A, B, C. I don't really care about the shape other than that it's a triangle. Okay, AB is 11, BC is 14, and AC must be bigger than 20. Okay? But, so it's got to be bigger than 20, but it also has to be less than the sum of 11 and 14. Okay? Because these two have to be bigger. So 11 plus 14 is 25. So bigger than 20, but less than 25. So AC is greater than 20, less than 25. The possible lengths are 21, 22, 23, and 24. This is where it starts getting funky. That's not even math skills. This is just, it's math, but it's logic. It's thinking. It's reading. Yeah, another reading test. Reading activity. Isn't this fun? He said sarcastically. It is kind of fun. Okay. So, reading. If you read, it's pretty straightforward. Whoa. Okay, XYZ is a triangle. I am just going to sketch my XYZ. Again, I'm not worried about it. I'm just doing X, Y, Z. Let's see, XY is 11, XZ is 19. The length of YZ is in whole inches, and it is greater than 26. So if it's XY and YZ, then XY and YZ is 19 and 11 is 30. XY plus YZ must be, wait. I did something wrong. I labeled it. XY is 11, XZ is 19. Oh, okay. So let's just relabel my shape correctly, just so it's not a mess. Okay, XZ is 19, and YZ is greater than 26, okay? But then XY plus YZ also has to be greater than YZ, which means YZ is greater than 26, but it also has to be less than 30. Wait, okay, so x, y, and y, z is 30 inches is greater than y, z. So y, z is greater than 26 and less than 30, so it can only be 27, 28, and 29 inches. Draw the picture. It helps. What are you, 10 minutes on this bad boy? Crazy. Okay. All right. So which of these lengths can form a triangle? Oh, it's on the last slide. Awesome. Answer yes or no. Remember, the two sides are always greater than the third. So you have to do 9 plus 17. Is it bigger than 20? 17 plus 20. Is it bigger than 9? 9 plus 20. Is it bigger than 17? Go through on all of those and do it. Okay. Pause me and we'll go through. And I'm going to pop the answers up in 5 seconds for the sake of time. So pause me and get this done. Okay, I think I came up with a strategy for these. For 1 through 6, I'm always finding the two shortest sides. So in this case, 9 plus 17, is it bigger than 20? Yes. If the two shortest sides are bigger than the biggest, then you can form a triangle. Over here, 14 plus 16, is it bigger than 30? No. 4 plus 18, bigger than the big 24? No. 5 plus 25, bigger than 29? Yes. 8 plus 15, bigger than 16? Yes. 10 plus 12, bigger than 21? Yes. All right, number 7. I drew a triangle, PQR. PQ is 18, QR is 19, and all I know is PR must be bigger than 32. Well, so I know it's bigger than 32, but then what I also do, oops, come on, give me a pen. So I know it's bigger than 32, but then I got to add 18 and 19 because it's going to be less than 37. Okay? It's going to be less than 37. So the numbers, oh, there, I wrote it right there. The numbers between 32 and 37 are 33, 34, 35, 36. Whew. There you go. Workbook B, practice 4. Most likely these pages. There should be some IXL lessons. It's getting to be more and more words. Just think, I don't think we did anything bigger than 25 plus 29 in this lesson. So it's problem solving and logic and thinking. The number crunching is secondary. It's the problem solving bit. I can't stress it enough. You'd think a math lesson involving, doing 10 plus 12 would be simpler than it is, but it's not. It's supposed to be challenging, but I believe in you. Do a great job. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.